एंड आज का मीटिंग जो है डिसाइडेड ओवर बाय मिस्टर अब्दुल रहमान कुरैशी साहब, who is the president of Kamre Millat and also assistant general secretary of the Muslim Personal Law Board, ये आपकी जानकारी। और यहाँ पर मेहमान there are representations from districts also, other districts also. Particularly, let us welcome the representatives from Marathwada, that is Aurangabad, Arpani, Nanded, or Kannada districts like Gulbarga, Bidar, or Rajpur. Because we have been there later on. And when I say read the agenda, you will understand. And introduction and self-introduction is the first point. because कुछ मेहमान ऐसे भी है वो लोग अपने बारे में ज़्यादा नहीं बोल सकते होंगे, इसीलिए तो इंट्रोडक्शन भी है लोगों के बारे में और साथ में सेल्फ इंट्रोडक्शन को अपन ब्रीफ करें पहले डिस्कशंस के बाद में जो बाद में कैसे भी आएंगे तो फिर कोई के पास एंड होप दैट भाई उर्दू में शुरू देने बात करने की कोई तकलीफ तो नहीं है ना, बिकॉज अब तेलंगाना बन चुकी है, अब तेलुगु उर्दू मिलकर चलना। और रहा दूसरी बात, सेकेंड पॉइंट नंबर 2, ब्रीफिंग अबाउट द राउंड टेबल done by Dr. Chiranjeevi Pulluri, and number 3, third item is necessity of this round table, particular round table today. That is will be elaborated by Rahim Qureshi Sahab, though he will give the closing remarks, presidential remarks of this meeting subsequently at the end also. Next, fourth point is historical background. It will be led by none other than Captain Dr. Panduranga Reddy. Doctor, he doesn't want to introduce the name of doctor because he refused the PhD, but he, from the public people, they recognize him because of his work as a doctor. Next point, necessity of regarding the tour program, because we had a hectic tour, particularly this year. अपना जो प्रोग्राम जो है 4 साल 5 साल से चल रही है, मगर this year we have gone out of Telangana, particularly reaching Maharashtra, Marathwada district and Karnataka district, which were part and parcel of the by Hyderabad pattern or Hyderabad district. वो टूर के बारे में Ziauddin Nayyar साहब आप elaborate करेंगे, details देंगे, and then we will open the discussion for the floor. Before that, I would like to tell you one thing in the essence of the purpose of the meeting. Actually, शुरुआत में ही आप लोगों को ये मेटेरियल दिया गया and the concept on which we are working. It has got Hindi version, Urdu version, Telugu version, and as well as English version. And there are some more copies available with the organizer. If you want more number of copies, you can as well collect so that you can discuss with your friends subsequently. Especially from the people who are from the district, they can carry to the respective place. और उसके साथ जो है तेलुगु का पैम्फलेट पड़ा हुआ है आपके पास, and one of our friends, Rayuddin Sahib, सियासत का रेस में खेलते हैं, he was courteous enough to get around 1 lakh copies printed, and already more than half have already reached the district. और Rayuddin Sahib को शेक डाउट था, तब करेंगे क्या ज़्यादा करेंगे, मैं एक ही बात बोला, ये बात एक दिन का नहीं है. This is the program which will continue for another 1 week after 7 weeks. We will be reaching this. And like that, there are people who are taking it from the district and spreading over. Almost all the districts already done it. अगर जो भी लेकर जाना चाहते हैं, particularly district से आए तो लोग, या different organizations for their convenience of their members, and getting that concept spread over, आप लोग के साथ देखेंगे. So first we will start with the introduction to self-introduction point, and after this one more point. Other than this, if anybody has got any suggestion to be added, included in the agenda, they can definitely propose it. With the approval of the chair, we go ahead. There is no problem in that. There are no restrictions. It will be conducted in a most democratic manner. And I think I request Nair Saab to introduce some of our guests, particularly about whom we have to speak at least bit 1 or 2 sentences extra, particularly those who have come from the district. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Mohammad Ziauddin Nair. I am associated with Majlis-e-Tamil Millat and the Hyderabad Democratic Alliance, actively working with Dr. Chiranjeevi Sahab and Dr. Panduranga Reddy Sahab.
I am Dr. Chiranjeevi Kolluri. Originally, we have been running 1969 Telangana Uddamakarya Samakya, Telangana Movement Congress Forum. I am a co-convener for that, for which Arjun Saab is convener है. And उसके साथ जो है recently an organization has been floated with the name of Telangana Democratic and Secular Alliance. Later on, it has been extended further in order to accommodate अपने पिछड़े हुए दोस्तों को, यानी दूसरे स्टेट में रहते फिर भी हैदराबादी है और फिर भी हैदराबादी है, वो लोग जो है मराठवाड़ा एंड कर्नाटका भी इंक्लूड करने के लिए ये इसका नाम जो है एज द बैन हैदराबाद डेक्कन डेमोक्रेटिक अलायंस, एंड आई एम ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द कोऑर्डिनेटर फॉर दैट along with Ziauddin Nair Sahab, Captain Panduranga Sahab or Qureshi Sahab. So this is the present situation. This is the introduction about me. Thank you.
Muhammad Abdul Rahim Qureshi, President All India Pradesh Tamil Millat and Assistant General Secretary All India Muslim Personnel.
I am Professor G. Venkatarajan, Department of Usmania University, with the help and assistance of my classmate in 1976 in MA. He helped us to register Telangana History Congress in 2008. In 2008 and 9 we have organized national seminar on the issues of Telangana, and also a strong participant in 1969 movement. I have been jailed for 6 months in Central Jail, Warangal. So after retirement, I am working for the cause of Telangana. Now, luckily we got our own state, that is Telangana state. We are happy that this day we are going to give the importance of the day, and its importance going to be highlighted to the common people in the state itself. Thank you very much.
Good morning to you all. I am Panduranga Reddy, ex-Swami, and Professor G. Venkatarajan. He happened to be my PhD guide, and for which later on that became a source material for Telangana MP and MLAs and arguing approved parliament. Thank you very much.
Myself, Muhammad Abdul Rashid, engineer, BE Civil Usmania. मेरा वतन तो परभनी मराठवाड़ा है और मैं तामिल मिल्लत हैदराबाद का नायक सदर हूँ फिल्म, और अक्सर इस फिल्म में आना जाना होता रहता है.
रशीद साहब के बारे में एक बात, आप बहुत डायनेमिक ऑर्गेनाइजर है, particularly coming from परभनी। जब वहाँ गए थे हम, बाद में तो नए सर तो बताएंगे आपको, more than 1,000 to 1,500 gathering was there में, and particularly about 40% were ladies and youth and children. This was the Kumbhita, and there were mics set outside the auditorium. People who could not sit in the auditorium, जिसके लिए स्टेज बंद नहीं हुआ था, वो लोग बाहर बैठ के सुन रहे थे. It was a wonderful experience and माहौल. इसका पूरा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन रशीद साहब की निगरानी में. और एक बात बताता हूँ, वहाँ का जो प्रेसिडेंट है यहाँ, रात में 12 बजे मेरे पास आया, along with Noman. जब आके पैम्पलेट फाइनलाइजेशन करके नेक्स्ट प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस का प्रोग्राम कंप्लीट करके गए. मतलब बीइंग अ प्रेसिडेंट ही वाज वेरी एक्टिव एज एन कैंडिडेट. That network he has built.
Naimullah Sharif, Telangana Minorities Secular Front President. मेरा नाम आतिफ मोहम्मद है. I am from media. I am also associated with the honored organization of Mr. Rahim Qureshi Sahab, Tamir Millet, and I am a chairman of an organization which does a lot of social work, that is Reach NGO. I am a blogger by profession and a businessman, but above all, I am a nationalist who looks for the interest of the nation first and then the rest. Thank you very much.
జి శ్రీహరి 1969లో 16 సంవత్సరాల యువకుడిగా ఎస్ఎస్సి స్టూడెంట్గా అప్పుడు 69 ఉద్యమంలో పాల్గొన్నాను. ఇప్పుడు ఈ 11 సంవత్సరాలు తెలంగాణ ఉద్యమంలో చాలా సీరియస్గా పార్టిసిపేట్ అయినటువంటి వ్యక్తి. నా పేరు రంగా రమేష్. బేసికలీ ట్రేడ్ యూనియనిస్ట్. ఐ వాజ్ యాక్టివ్ మెంబర్ సిన్స్ 1969 of Telangana movement, and recently when the 1969 organization started by Dr. Sanjeev and Sharif Addin, I am actively working before Telangana coming into effect, after coming Telangana. Thank you.
मेरा नाम खान अब्दुल मुजस्सर है. मैं रिप्रेजेंटेटिव हूँ कोलिन मस्जिद दारुल मिल्लत शाह कॉलोनी.
Jazur Ahmad, Associate Professor in Sociology.
Again a word about Mr. लालू. सब लोग हम जो है दोस्त उनके लालू के नाम से पुकारते हैं. आपका नाम जो है अब्दुल मोइन और अच्छा अच्छा डैडी का नाम son of Abdul Halim.
Son of Halim sir.
And the complete family is involved in the movement, particularly building family in Aurangabad. And देर से करे मगर बहुत अच्छा gathering था. And particularly though the gathering was relatively less than what they were expecting because of the barish and other things, मगर the quality of the crowd was excellent, and they were all educated, qualified, and many advocates were there in that setup, and wonderful work they have been doing. They want to associate with us, and they want to take the movement part.
Jazur Ahmad, Department of Sociology, Osmania University. I have an interest in work history and the movement of classes there.
मेरा नाम शेख मुनीर पाशा है. मैं मकीन सोशल वेलफेयर माइनॉरिटी डेवलपमेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन डेवलपमेंट की तरफ से आया हूँ.
मेरा नाम के.एल. रामदास है. मैं अम्बेडकरिस्ट हूँ. 1969 फाउंडर्स फोरम का वल्लभ जी एक्टिव मेंबर हूँ. ये आरिफुद्दीन चिरंजीवी साहब जब से लगाए सर्वसस्ती ये काम कर रहा हूँ. इसलिए हैदराबाद विमोचन है इसको बोल लेना, उसके हम लोग खिलाफ है. इसके साथ भी हम लोग जदोजहद कर रहे हैं उसको काम कर लें.
मेरा नाम बी हरीनाथ है. मैं 69